Didn't like it. He didn't care. Oh, sorry. So crazy.
I'm gonna take a picture of you when you're out of the cage, okay? What is he doing that for? That guy sure says single-ish. How can you be single-ish?
I need that shirt.
Bird, what?
No, that's not the cage. We're just talking now. We're trying to have an intelligent conversation with you. Thank you.
One of them now.
We can't have an intelligent conversation with you when you won't talk back. No, what's on your mind? What's on your mind?
He's ruffling his feathers.
What are you feeling? Yeah? It's really hard being stuck in this cage, isn't it? Well, look, there's a lock on it. I can't let you out. Sorry. I would let you out because it's all locked up.
I think you made him mad.
He's like, let me out.
I'm very sorry.